How to add photos in Polarsteps. Everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Polarsteps application, and then you will see this option, add a trip. Simply tap on it and then choose any of these. For example, I selected I want to add a past trip, then tap on continue. Here you can pick your pictures from media by simply giving it access to media and files. Simply add your pictures. You can also write a short summary and name your trip. Then yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.